Supreme Court Judge nominee Justice Gaewu has refuted claims that his past affiliation with the governing New Patriotic Party will influence his work at the Apex Court. His comment came after Minority Leader Haruna Idrisu raised concerns about his political history during the vetting.
I,
Ernest Yao Gaewu,
swear by the Almighty God.
Swear by the Almighty God.
That the evidence I shall give before this committee.
That the evidence I shall give before
the Supreme
this
Court
committee.
nominee, Justice Ernest Yao Gaewu, was the last to appear before the Appointment Committee of Parliament. Justice Gaewu, who has been a High Court judge for 2 years, was the NPP's parliamentary candidate for Ho Central in the crucial 2016 election. The opposition MPs on the vetting committee raised red flags. His political history will influence his application of the law to tilt the wheels of justice towards the governing party. But Justice Gaewu, in a sharp rebuttal, said he will not be influenced by his political history and association with the governing party.
A lawyer trained and qualified as a lawyer is a beloved son or beloved child of the Constitution, so that a lawyer can descend from the throne of glory, which is the judiciary, and go and skate around the legislature or the executive, and then when you come back, you still come back to sit at the right-hand side of the Constitution and be interceding for the public. There's no difficulty about that at all. The rules that are played in the judiciary is different from the executive as well as the legislature. The courts are governed by rules, and we use rules principles in determining cases. When parties appear before you, you don't look at their political coloration or anything. You look at the law, what the law is, the facts before you, and then the law to apply. That is all.
Justice Gaewu also gave reasons why he failed to declare his assets in 2 years after holding public office, which is mandated by the Constitution.
When were you supposed to declare your assets, and when did you declare your assets?
Mr. Chairman, I did declare the assets on the 22nd day of June 2022. When we came onto the bench, let me be honest with the committee. The forms were given to us to fill, and I took it to Ho. I filled them only to forget and let it in Ho until I later on got to realize that no. Then I went to comply. So, 22nd June.
22nd June
2022.
Yes, but you have filed it.
I filed it, and I have the certificate. I have the
No. What I'm saying is that you filed
the receipt.
That's okay.
He was appointed in 2020, September 2020, and he filed 22nd June 2022, according to his testimony.